Home Remedies presents
No pills needed. The #1 brain medicine that's 100% free. Hello and welcome. We all have that inner voice that says, "This is the week I'll finally make a change." But then excuses pop up. I hate the gym. I don't have money. I'm afraid of getting hurt. And before you know it, you're stuck, feeling heavy, low on energy, and watching your health slip away. What if I told you the answer to all these problems is right under your nose? It's free, and it's incredibly powerful. Today, I'm going to show you how a simple flight of stairs can be your secret weapon against a sedentary lifestyle. And it's not just about losing weight or building muscle. It's about protecting your brain from aging and adding years of healthy, independent life. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments, from which city and country are you watching this video? The scientific proof. In April 2024, at Europe's biggest cardiology conference, scientists revealed something groundbreaking. A massive study involving nearly 500,000 people showed that regularly climbing stairs is linked to a 24% lower chance of dying from any cause and an almost unbelievable 39% lower chance of dying from heart-related diseases. Think about that. 39% lower risk means more holidays with your grandkids, more dream vacations, more years of clear thinking and independence. This is more effective than many expensive medicines you find at the pharmacy. Demolishing the excuses. I hate the gym and don't have money. Stairs are your free, private gym. Open 24/7. No fees. No intimidation. No excuses. I'm afraid of getting hurt. The real danger is inactivity. Start slow, 1 floor. Use the handrail. Keep your back straight. You'll build strength that protects your knees instead of wearing them out. Walking isn't enough. Stair climbing is strength training disguised as cardio. Each step is a mini squat, fighting gravity and building muscle. You're not losing strength. You're fighting sarcopenia, the silent thief of muscle that starts around age 30. Now, let's dive into the 5 benefits that will truly rebuild your health from the inside out. Benefit 5. Building strong bones. Every step sends a signal to your bones to get stronger through something called the piezoelectric effect. It's like telling your skeleton, be denser, be tougher. The reward? Protection against osteoporosis and the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're solid, strong, and independent. Benefit 4. Metabolic cleanup and body reset. Struggling with stubborn belly fat or slow energy? Stair climbing acts like a reset button. Just 3 20-second climbs a day can force glucose into your muscles without insulin's help, breaking down insulin resistance. The reward? Steady energy, less inflammation, and control over your metabolism. Benefit 3. Focus, calm, and inner happiness. Climbing stairs boosts BDNF, the fertilizer for your brain. It helps grow new brain cells, strengthens connections, and releases endorphins and natural compounds that calm stress. The reward? Mental clarity, creativity, and inner peace. Benefit 2. Protecting your heart and arteries. Stair climbing is a natural form of high-intensity interval training. The climb raises your heart rate. The descent is recovery. This cycle strengthens your heart and produces nitric oxide, keeping your blood vessels flexible and lowering blood pressure. The reward? A 39% lower risk of dying from heart disease. Benefit 1. The symphony of brain protection. This is the ultimate benefit. Stair climbing combines all the rewards: stronger heart, cleaner metabolism, reduced inflammation, and boosted brain growth factors, to create the most complete defense against Alzheimer's and dementia. The reward isn't just living longer. It's living as yourself, with your memories and clear mind intact. Your battle plan. Starting today. Week 1. Mental preparation. Decide to see stairs as your tool for freedom. Week 2. Climb 1 floor a day for 5 days. Celebrate each climb. Week 3. Double challenge. 2 floors at once, or 1 floor twice a day. Beyond. Add 1 floor per week or 1 extra climb per day. Aim for 3 to 5 floors daily. Remember, even 3 separate climbs of 1 floor each make a huge difference. Conclusion. Every step is a victory against disease. Every climb is a deposit into your health bank account. The choice is simple. The elevator door, which represents stagnation and weakness, or the first step, which represents decision, strength, and the life you deserve. So tell me, have you tried stair climbing before? And don't forget to share from which city and country you're watching this video. Your future self will thank you for every single step.